For today's lesson, we'll have multiplication of polynomials.
Why the cottage blues? Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the.
Now, let us find the product of the following. Number 1, multiply 3x squared and 2x. 3x squared times 2x, just multiply first 3 and 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. Then multiply x squared times x. Since pareho silang base na x, add lang natin ang exponent, that is 2 plus 1. And our final answer is 6x cubed. Number 2, multiply 2x squared and negative 5x. So you have here 2 times negative 5 is negative 10. Then multiply x squared and x to the fourth. And you'll have here, pareho ang kanyang base. Add lang natin ang exponent. Parehong x yan, kaya pwedeng i-add ang exponent. So, 2 plus 4. Add lang natin, then we'll have the final answer, which is negative 10x raised to the 6th power. Next, we'll have negative 8x squared y and negative 9xy cubed. Unang gagawin, multiply natin ang numerical coefficient na negative 9 and negative 8. So, pareho silang negative, ibig sabihin ang ating sagot ay positive. So, negative times negative is positive. And you'll have positive 72. Next is x squared times x. Parehong x yan, add lang ang exponent. Tandaan, kapag walang exponent dito, may tinatawag tayong invisible na exponent na 1. Add lang natin yan. Next is y. May invisible 1 dito at may invisible na at may 3 naman dito na exponent. So we'll have 72 and then add the exponent 2 plus 1 and you'll have x raised to 3. Then you have y raised to 1 plus 3 and you'll get y to the fourth. So our answer here is positive 72 x cubed y to the fourth. Now let us have number 4. So you have here 3a and 10a plus 2. Just apply distributive property. So multiply natin 3a and 10a. That will give you 30a, may invisible exponent na 1 dito at invisible 1 exponent dito. So we have 1 plus 1. Then, multiply 3a by 2. And you have the product that is 6a. Then simplify. You have here 30. Then add 1 plus 1 here. So you have 30a squared plus 6a. So our answer is 30a squared plus 6a. Now let us have the FOIL method. What do you mean by FOIL method? Here, F means the first term. O means the outer term. I means the inner term. And L means last term. Let us have an example. Suppose you are asked to find the product of 2x plus 1 and 4x plus 2 using the FOIL method. So, anong gagawin? I-multiply ang first term. That is 2x times 4x. And the product is 8x squared. Now, we'll have the O or the outer terms. So, you have 2x times 2. And our product here is positive 4x. Next, we'll go to I. Just multiply the inner terms, which are 1 and 4x. So, 1 times 4x, you'll get positive 4x. Then, multiply the last terms, which are 1 and 2. Multiply natin. 1 times 2, that is positive 2. Now, let us simplify, combine like terms. So, since walang pwedeng i-partner or isama kay 8x squared, just copy this one. Pero itong 4x and 4x are like terms. So, we can combine these two. So, 4x plus 4x, you'll get 8x plus 2. Therefore, our answer in multiplying 2x plus 1 and 4x plus 2 is 8x squared plus 8x plus 2. Now, let us have this example. X minus 3 multiplied by 5x minus 2. So, here our first term is x, and here is 5x. Again, multiply the first term. So, you have x times 5x. That is equal to 5x squared. Next, the outer term. So, our outer term here is x and negative 2. Multiply. And you'll get negative 2x. Next, multiply the inner terms. Negative 3 times positive 5x. That will give you negative 15x. Now, let us have negative 3 and negative 2. The product here is positive 6. Now, combine like terms. Just copy 5x squared and combine negative 2x and negative 15x. So, that will give you negative 17x. Then, just copy the constant term, which is positive 6. Therefore, our answer here is 5x squared minus 17x plus 6. Now, let us have example number 3. This time, we are going to multiply 4x plus 1 and x minus 3. Again, multiply the first terms. So, 4x times x, you have 4x squared. Next is the outer term. So, nasa labas, 4x and negative 2. That will give you negative 8x. Then the inner terms, 1 times x, that is positive x. Then the last terms, which are 1 and negative 2. And the product is negative 2. This time, you will combine like terms. Just copy 4x squared. Then, negative 8x plus x is correct. That is negative 7x. Then, just copy negative 2 here. Therefore, the product of 4x plus 1 and x minus 3 is equal to 4x squared minus 7x minus 2.